Welcome, friends, to the continuation preview of Episode 1, Segment 3 of the Interpreter's Journey, where we explore how age-old practice of hermeneutics can transform not just understanding of Scripture, but everyday decisions that define our lives. Imagine harnessing the power of interpretation to navigate the complexities of daily communication and decision making. Are you intrigued yet? Let's dive in. Have you ever paused to wonder how a simple miscommunication could lead to conflict? Or how understanding diverse perspective might deepen your relationship? What if the art of biblical interpretation could unlock new pathways to empathy and connection? Stay with us as we unravel this fascinating possibility. At first glance, hermeneutics might seem like the domain of theologians and scholars, but this principle reaches far beyond religious text. In their insightful work, Andreas J. Kostenberger and Richard Patterson reveal how these interpretive skills can enhance communication and relationships. Imagine using clarity and precision of hermeneutics to bridge gaps in understanding across the personal and professional interactions. By interpreting intentions and context accurately, we foster deeper empathy and forge stronger connections. Let's imagine a scenario. You're scrolling through Facebook or social media, bombarded with conflicting reports on a pressing social issue. Your instinct might be to react instantaneously. But here is where hermeneutical principles come into play. By pausing to contextualize and critically examine the sources and underlying intentions, you engage in modern day hermeneutics. This approach not only refines your understanding, but equips you to make informed decisions amidst chattering from all directions. Consider you're at work, navigating a challenging dialogue with a colleague. Instead of rushing to conclusions, applying hermeneutical principles encourages you to seek clarity and context, transforming potential misunderstanding into opportunities for collaboration and growth. This approach not only improves communications, but also enriches the professional environment with mutual respect and understanding. Moving to a more personal level, think about how often we mistreat or we misinterpret loved ones, leading to a unnecessary strife. By striving to comprehend their perspective, it's much like unraveling layers of a complex text. We nurture empathy and strengthen our bonds. This is hermeneutics in action, extending wisdom of ancient texts into the heart of our relationships. Kostenberger and Patterson reminds us that knowledge transforms into wisdom when applied. They urge us to live out our interpretations, enriching our lives and glorifying the Creator. As we navigate daily complexities, adopting a hermeneutical mindset promotes critical thinking and informed decision making. Whether assessing media content or resolving personal conflicts, these skills empower us to understand before reacting, enhancing our role in a thoughtful, compassionate society. Thank you for joining us in this interpreter's journey. We hope this insights into practical hermeneutic curiosity and appreciation for wisdom it offers beyond theology. Until then, keep questioning, keep interpreting, and may your journey be ever enlightening. May God richly bless you. Thank you.